Alright, so what's going on, guys? Today we will be discussing about the resultant of the parallel coplanar forces. So, what is a coplanar forces? Yung coplanar kasi is that is in one plane. One plane. Tapos coplanar siya kasi lahat ng direction niya is along kung for example, if the direction of the forces is vertical, all the forces is along the vertical side. If the forces naman is in a horizontal side, so that is puro lang siya horizontal. So that is a coplanar. Nag-act yung mga forces natin is in one plane and lahat yan in a one direction. That is a coplanar. That is a parallel, parallel. Okay, so we have here an example. Determine the magnitude and location of the resultant of the given force. So, we have here a beam. We have here a beam that is 5 meter long. And then, we have here a beam, 5 meter span. And then we have the P1 acting on this side of A. And we have P2 that is 30 kilonewton acting on the side of B. Okay, how do we compute the magnitude and the location? Ibig sabihin yung location that is from A to the resultant. So ito kasi kukombine natin tong P1 and P2 if ilan ba yung magiging pwersa nila tapos kung saan magiging yung magiging location ng resultant nila. Okay. So we have the summation of forces along Y kasi lahat ng ating forces is pababa. That is in terms of Y. That is along Y. That is also equivalent to your R. And your R, that is P1 and P2. Okay. So we have 50 kilonewton for your R or for your resultant. Okay. So paano naman makuha yung location niya? So ito, hindi natin kasi alam kung ilan tong distance na yan kung saan yung mag-act yung magiging resultant which either sa gitna. Kaso kung 20 to, kung 20 din tong P2, so dapat yung mag-act ng resultant is sa gitna. Kaya lang, mas malaki yung P2 mo, ibig sabihin, mas papalo siya. More, pausog dito, mas malapit sa P2. Ibig sabihin, that is 2.5 siguro around 3 meters from the point of A or 2 meters around from B. Okay, by Varignum's theorem, we will be discussing the Varignum's theorem that is Rx, yung R that is your resultant and your X is the allocation of your resultant and equals to P1 times D1 plus P2 dito. So, ibig sabihin, parang nag-moment tayo dito sa A. Magmo-moment tayo dito sa A. Okay. So, paano ba yan? This 50x, that your resultant 50x is equal to P1. Yung P1 mo is 20. The distance from A is 0. That's why 0. Plus 30 times the distance of P2 is 5 kasi distance from A to B is 5 meters. So, we have the answer of 3 meters. So, 3 meters from A. Okay. That is 3 meters from that is your X. Okay, then that is your location for your resultant force. Okay, so we have here another example. The magnitude on the determine the magnitude and the location of the resultant of the given force. So ito tatlo na, no? Tatlong force na yung given. That's P1, P2, P3. So we have the distance of P2 that is 2 meters from point A and P3 that is 4 meters from point B or 6 meters from point A. Okay, so ibig sabihin yung magiging resultant nito is it's either nandito, based sa atin illustration, more on papunta dito kasi this is 25 or 35 papunta dito, more or less than dito banda. So hindi lang natin alam kung saan siya masyadong papalo, it's either dito or dito sa in between A, B, or between B and C. Okay, so your resultant is the summation of forces that is P1 plus P2 plus P3. Sum up lang natin yung lahat ng pwersa that is also 50 kilonewton. And by Brigham's theorem again, we will be having Rx that is P1 D1 plus P2 D2. So magmo-moment ulit tayo dito sa A. Okay. So that is 50x. And then 10, this is P1, 0, yung distance. And then P2, that is 2 meters from point A. And then P3, that is 15 times 6 kasi yung 6 natin is from A to C. That is 6 meters. And we have 2.8 meters. So, ibig sabihin, dyan natin matatagpuan yung ating resultant. Okay. Okay, so how about this one? The given forces, find the magnitude of the force Q such that the resultant force will act 7 meters from 0. So, ito dito yung 0. So, yung resultant daw natin is matatagpuan 7 meters. So, ibig sabihin dito. So, hanapin natin yung magnitude of force Q. Itong unknown Q. Tapos, syempre, pati na din yung magiging resultant nito. Kung ilan. Okay, that is, matatagpuan mo yung resultant mo. That is 7 meters from 0. Okay. So, summation of forces, that is your resultant, is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus PQ kasi may Q pa tayo dito. And then we have that the resultant is 600 plus Q. This is unknown, yung Q. And then we have by Brigham's theorem. By Brigham's theorem, we have RD. RD is equal to P1 D1 plus P2 D2 plus P3 D3 plus Q D4. So, ibig sabihin, magmo-moment tayo dito sa 0. Okay. Actually, pwede naman tayo dito mag-moment din. It's up to you. No, it's up to you. Pero, mas komportable ako dito sa 0 kasi dito na yung hinahanap na 7 meters. So, dito kasi kung dito pa ako mag-moment, so hahanapin ko pa to. Although, madali lang naman, pero at least dito, given na. Okay, that is, your R is equal to 600 plus Q. That is 600 plus Q times 7. That is a 7 distance ng yung resultant. Ano? That is 7 meters. And then 200 times 3, that is 200 times 3 kasi 3 meters yung P1 mo. And then 300 times 6, that is 300 times 6. So, kanina ba 200, ano? Tapos ito 300 times 6 kasi from 0, that is 6 units. And then 100 for your P3. 100 times 10 kasi from 0, that is 10 meters. Plus Q, yung Q mo is 8 meters or 8 units from the 0. So, makukumbay. Okay. Solve natin to by, okay, so, we have here our equation. Type natin to sa calculator. That is 600 plus x, or that is your x that is corresponding to your q in the equation, times 7 equals to 200 times 3 plus 300 plus 6 times 6 plus 100 times 10 plus x times 8. And then shift solve. That is 800 kilonewton yung value mo ng Q. Okay, that is 800 kilonewton. Or Newton, I should say. This is Newton. The unit here is Newton. I'm sorry. Newton. So, what is the value for your R? Your R mo is 600 plus Q. That is 1,400. This is Newton. I'm sorry for the unit kasi Newton pala dito. Okay. So that's it, ano? That's it to find the value of your resultant. Okay, so we have here last example. Determine the magnitude and the location of the resultant of the given loads. So we have here the given loads. The given loads is ito, ano, trapezoidal. So from this is 5 Newton meter to 20 Newton meter. And we have here a P or the concentrated load na 200 Newton. So, para natin ito masolve, itong load na to is batag-batagin muna natin. Okay, let's illustrate here. Okay, so itong P1 muna, P1, this is 200 Newton. Okay, how about for this one? Chinap ko muna to. Chinap ko tong triangle na yan. Triangle, ito triangle dito. Tapos itong baba is rectangle. So, chinap ko muna yan. That is 5 kilonewton lang nasabi dito. That is 5 Newton. That is weight 1. Okay, so to find this, kunin muna natin yung magiging resultant nito. Itong W1. Kunin muna natin yan. Okay, so let us assume that weight 1 is our P2. Kasi may P1 na tayo dito. Instead of using P1, kasi weight 1 naman to, gamitin natin P2. That is, matatagpuan natin yung resultant niya is half of L. Half nitong distance na yan. That is 2 meters. Kasi yung L mo is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is wrong. This is 3. Dapat 3 to, ano, hindi to 2. Kasi 1, 2, 3. That is 3. Sorry. That is 3 meters. Half of L. Kasi 6 meters yan. And then, we have compute the P1, that is weight 1 times L. That is 5 times 6. Kasi yung entire distance niya is 6 meters. Or 6 units. That is 6. Okay, that is 30 kilonewton. How about for this triangle? Itong triangle naman, so, ayan. So, itong triangle naman is magiging weight 2 minus weight 1. That is 15 Newton meter. So, ibig sabihin from here, that is 0. Is 0 na to kasi ito, tinanggal na natin yung 5. Diba? Wala na yan yung 5. So, from here, that is 0 to 15 Newton na lang. To 15 Newton meter. Kasi dapat 20 to. Kasi 5 dito to 20. Kaya lang, tinanggal na natin yung 5. Chinap-chap na natin to ng 5. So, ito magiging 15 na lang. So, 15 na lang. From 0 to 15. Okay? So, malinaw. I hope nagkuha nyo to, ano? Okay. Hanapin muna natin yung position ng magiging resultant niya. Okay, that is P3. Yung P3 is matutagpuan natin by 2/3 of L. 2/3 of L, that is 4 meters. And then, 1/3 of L, that is 6 divided by 3, that is 2. So, ito tama. Ito yung distance natin. Dito lang tayo nagkamali, ano? So, okay. That is P3. That is W3. Actually, this is W3 kasi ito, let us assume that weight 2, that is W3 is W1 minus W2 minus W1, that is equivalent to W3 times L. So, yung L pa din natin is 6 meters. Kasi yung entire span niya is 6 meters from here to this point. And then, we have 15, yung load. Yung magiging load na lang natin. And that is 1/2. Kasi yung, this is a triangle. That is the area. So, 1/2 AB. Or base times height. And that is 45 kilonewton. Actually, this is also Newton. Mali na naman ano yung unit natin dito. Kasi Newton pala to. Mas sanay kasi ako na ginagamit yung kilonewton. So, this is Newton. I'm so sorry. Okay, we have the summation of forces along Y. And we have R, P1, that is equal P1 plus P2 plus P3. So ito, hindi na natin ito gagamitin na ng mga W. Ang gagamitin na natin is yung P1 and P3 kasi kinonvert na natin yan into their resultant forces. Okay, that is R 20 plus 30 plus 45, that is 275. And to find the value of the the location of the resultant force, we have the Varignon's theorem again. So RD is equal to P1 D1 plus P2 D2 plus P3 D3. And then we have 275 times D. That is distance of your resultant. Sometimes we are using this as X. Okay, 200 times 3, that is your value here. And then 30 times 8. Itong 30, kasi ito dito matatagpuan mo, that is 8 units. Okay, and then we have 45 times 8. And let's proceed to our calculator. And our calculator, 275 times X, or your D, is equal to 200 times 3 plus 30 times 8 plus 45 times 9. And that would give you 4.527. Okay. Okay, 527. So, instead, pwede naman direct mag-calculator shift solve ka na lang. So, that is the answer for our resultant. So, ibig sabihin, dyan natin matatagpuan yung resultant. That is 4.527. Okay, I hope na nakuha nyo to or nasundan nyo tong topic na to. Kasi papunta na tayo sa exciting part. Okay, thank you for watching.